Handling an irate customer in a retail store. The scenario showcases a common real-life situation, emphasizes conflict resolution, and highlights good customer service practices. You will learn contextual phrases, phrasal verbs, and idioms through this scenario. Let's begin with phrases. Fill me in. Provide details. Got a lemon. Received a defective product here are few phrasal verbs like broke down, stopped functioning properly, sort this out, resolve the problem, conked out, stopped working suddenly, pick this up, purchase or obtain, turn this around, improve the situation, test it out, try something to see if it works, handle that, take care of something, come back, return to the store, and the idiom is iron things out, resolve issues. Now the dialogue goes back and forth between the customer and the customer service representative. Alex storming up to the customer service desk, holding a box containing a recently purchased product.
Excuse me, I need to return this piece of junk. It broke down after just one day.
I'm so sorry to hear that you're having trouble with your purchase. Let's see how we can sort this out for you. Can you fill me in on what happened?
What happened? It just conked out. I want a refund, and I want it now.
I get it. That must be really frustrating. Let me take a look at the product. When did you pick this up?
Yesterday, I used it once, and it completely stopped working. This is unacceptable.
I see. I apologize for the inconvenience. Our products are usually very reliable, so it sounds like you got a lemon. I can either offer you a refund or a replacement. Which would you prefer?
I don't know, I just want something that works.
Of course. Let's see if we can turn this around for you. If you prefer a replacement, I can ensure we test it out before you leave the store to make sure it's working perfectly. If you'd rather have a refund, I can handle that right away.
Okay, I guess a replacement would be fine, but I want to see it working first.
Absolutely.
She goes to the back and returns with a new product.
Here's a new one. Let's test it out together.
They test the product, and it works perfectly.
Okay, this one seems fine, thank you.
I'm glad we could iron things out for you. If you have any more issues, please don't hesitate to come back. Here's a coupon for 10% off your next purchase as a gesture of goodwill.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a great day.